Imagine your car turning into a smart, futuristic ride packed with gadgets that make driving safer, cooler, and way more convenient. Today, I've got 15 innovative car gadgets from Amazon that'll absolutely blow your mind. From smart dash cams to portable power solutions, these are the kind of upgrades that make you say, "Why didn't I get this sooner?" And hey, before we dive in, all the gadgets I mention are linked right in the description. So if you see something you love, you can check it out instantly. All right, let's get into it because you're about to find your next favorite car gadget. 1. Nexar Beam GPS Dashcam. Let's start with peace of mind. The Nexar Beam Dashcam doesn't just record, it saves your videos automatically to unlimited cloud storage. That means if something ever happens on the road, you've got video proof ready to go. Plus, it has GPS tracking, so you know exactly where an incident occurred. It's small and discreet, so it won't clutter your windshield. The best part? It can even generate insurance reports for you, saving time and headaches after an accident. 2. Lanmodo Night Vision System. Driving at night can be stressful. Headlights don't always give you the visibility you need, and bad weather like rain or fog makes it even worse. That's where the Lanmodo Night Vision System comes in. This full-color HD night vision camera gives you a crystal clear view up to 984 feet ahead, even in pitch dark conditions, rain or fog. Instead of relying on dull black and white night vision, this one shows the road in vivid color, so you can spot obstacles, pedestrians, or animals way before your headlights catch them. It's plug and play, so installation is a breeze. Just set it up and you're ready to drive safer. Now, it is a little pricier than your standard dash cam, and the display unit is a bit bulkier, but honestly, the peace of mind it gives night drivers is worth it. If you spend a lot of time driving in rural areas, on highways, or in low-light conditions, this gadget could literally be a lifesaver. 3. Garmin DriveSmart 65 GPS Navigator. Raise your hand if you've ever gotten frustrated with your phone sliding around while using Google Maps, right? The Garmin DriveSmart 65 is your dedicated navigator. Big, crystal clear 6.95-inch display, hands-free calling, live traffic updates, and even smart notifications. It's like having a co-pilot that never gets tired. Plus, unlike your phone, it won't overheat or lose signal as easily, making it more reliable for long road trips. 4. Tile Bluetooth Tracker. Ever lost your keys in the couch, or worse, in the parking lot? The Tile Tracker is a total lifesaver. Just attach it to your car keys, and with the app, you can find them in seconds. Plus, if your car keys are out of Bluetooth range, Tile taps into the massive Life 360 network to help you track them down. No more panic attacks before work. It even works in reverse. Press the Tile button and your phone will ring even if it's on silent. 5. Blue Driver Bluetooth OBD2 Scanner. Car trouble lights are the worst, right? You see that check engine light and you're like, uh-oh, how much is this gonna cost me? With Blue Driver, you can diagnose the problem yourself. It plugs right into your car, pairs with your phone, and gives you professional-level diagnostics. You'll know exactly what's wrong and even get repair cost estimates. That means you'll walk into the mechanic shop with confidence, knowing you can't be upsold on unnecessary fixes. 6. Bestec 300-watt power inverter. Now, this is a must-have for road trips. The Bestec inverter turns your car's cigarette lighter into a power hub with 2 AC outlets and 2 USB ports. Charge your laptop, camera, phone, or even power small appliances. And don't worry about safety. It's got protection against overheating, short circuits, and overcharging. This gadget is perfect for families on the go, campers, or anyone who wants reliable power when outlets aren't around. 7. Astro Eye Portable Air Compressor. Flat tires can ruin your day. That's why the Astro Eye Inflator is one of my favorites. Just plug it into your 12-volt socket, set the pressure you need, and let it do the work. It inflates a standard tire in minutes, and even has an LED light for nighttime emergencies. Small, reliable, and a total road trip essential. Plus, it's versatile. You can also use it to inflate bikes, sports balls, or pool floats, making it handy beyond the car. 8. Azadrive C3 HUD Speedometer. This one looks straight out of a sci-fi movie.
The AzAdrive projects your speed, fuel consumption, and temperature directly onto your windshield, so you never take your eyes off the road. It feels futuristic, but more importantly, it makes driving safer. No more glancing down at your dash. Everything you need is right in your line of sight, helping reduce distractions and making highway driving more relaxed. 9. Vevor Electric Hydraulic Jack. Changing a tire in the rain or heat? No thanks. The Vevor Electric Jack plugs into your car's 12-volt outlet and lifts your car automatically. No sweat required. It even comes with a built-in air pump and LED light. If you've ever struggled with a manual jack, this is going to feel like magic. It's especially great for people who travel alone. You'll feel safer knowing you can change a tire without breaking a sweat. 10. Philips Go Pure Car Air Purifier. Breathe easy, friends. The Philips Go Pure filters out up to 99% of pollutants, allergens, and even bad odors inside your car. For people with allergies or kids, this is such a blessing. It keeps your cabin air fresh and healthy on every drive. Long commutes, city driving, or even road trips feel more comfortable when you know the air you're breathing is clean. 11. IATI Dashboard and Windshield Phone Mount. Phones flying around your car while driving is not just annoying, it's dangerous. The IATI phone mount has a strong suction cup, adjustable arms, and even wireless charging on some models. It locks your phone securely so you can focus on the road. No more balancing your phone on your lap or reaching for it while driving. This mount makes navigation hands-free and effortless. 12. Bayou Cordless Tire Inflator. Here's another smart inflator, but cordless. The Bayou is compact, rechargeable, and fits right in your glove box. Perfect for quick top-ups, it can inflate tires, sports balls, or even pool floats without needing your car plugged in. The rechargeable battery means it's always ready when you need it, and it's lightweight enough to carry anywhere, making it ideal for camping trips too. 13. Govee Interior LED Car Lights. Want to give your ride some personality? The Govee lights sync to your music, change colors through the app, and instantly transform your car's vibe. Whether it's road trips or late-night drives, these lights make your car feel next level. You can customize the mood, relaxing soft tones, or party mode with flashing beats. It's a fun, budget-friendly upgrade that makes your car stand out. 14. Universal Wireless CarPlay Adapter. Tired of plugging in your phone every single time for CarPlay? This adapter makes your CarPlay wireless in seconds. No cables, no clutter, just seamless access to maps, calls, and your favorite apps right from your car's display. It's plug and play, so setup is a breeze, and it keeps your center console neat and tidy. 15. Slime Tire Inflation Station. And last but definitely not least, the Slime Inflation Station. This thing inflates a flat tire in just 4 minutes. It's fast, accurate, and even works for bikes, balls, and inflatables. Honestly, everyone should keep one of these in their trunk for emergencies, because when that unexpected flat happens, having this ready can save you time, money, and stress.
So there you have it, 15 innovative car gadgets that can turn your daily drive into something way more fun, safe, and stress-free. If you saw something you liked, don't forget, all the links are waiting for you right down in the description. Grab the ones that'll make your life easier, you won't regret it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more cool gadget finds, and drop a comment telling me which gadget impressed you the most.